The Carlam Cymru revision sessions will begin on Monday the 7th of March with live events available for GCSE, AS and A-level students. To access the live revision sessions, go to the e-sgol website and click on Carlam Home. After loading, select the appropriate level, either GCSE, AS or A-level, where you will be able to see the relevant timetable. As you move down the page, the links for the live events will appear under the weekly timetable. Navigate between the tabs for the week and click on the relevant subject to access the free revision session. For example, to watch the GCSE biology session, click on the relevant link and you will be transferred to the event via Microsoft Teams. You can either watch the event via the web or through the Microsoft Teams app. So for more information and to gain access to the live events starting on Monday the 7th of March, go visit the e-sgol website and click on Carlam Home.